Have you ever wanted to make a video like MagnatesMedia? Well, in this video, we'll be remaking.
A teenager abandons his life on his family's farm and heads to the city in search of work, only to get fired within just 6 days.
Well, so first you want to set the ratio to 16:9, then grab an image of a farm. After that, adjust the length of the picture. Then scale it to fill the frame. Next, we are going to adjust the color by increasing the saturation, hue and temp. Now, we are going to add an overlay to make the scene darker and adjust its opacity, and then add a blur effect on it. After that, we are going to do some adjustments. After we are happy with the adjustments, we are going to add a text. After we have typed the text, we are going to adjust the size and font of the text. Next, we are going to add a glow and adjust its intensity and range. Then add shadow and position the text. After that, duplicate it, then reposition it, and then type the second text. After that, scale it. Then for this, we are going to add a typing animation and adjust the duration and timing for both text. Then we'll need to export the video first, so the text can be positioned in the back. After that, simply drag and drop the exported video into the project, then delete the rest in the timeline. Then add picture of person that we will be using. Then use chroma key to remove the green color. Then we are going to animate the scale and position of it. After that, we are going to add the main subject and removing the background by using auto cutout, then adjusting and animating the scale and position of it. Then we are going to add the spark effect on it. After that, add a picture of an old city, then adjust the colors to make it more orange, then adjust the timing and scale of it so it will fit the frame. Then duplicate the main subject above the picture, then adjust and animate the position and scale, as well as adjusting the color to make it fit more to the background. After that, we will add a transition and adjust the timing of the other elements to make the transition look better. Next, we're going to be adding a wrench image to it, then adjusting the scale, position and rotation of it. After we're happy with it, simply duplicate and mirror the image. Then we are going to add a shake animation, then adjust it for both images. Next, we are going to add a fog effect, and then just adjust the timing of it. Then moving on to our next scene, simply import another image and adjust the scale and position of it. Then for the next image, we are going to be mirroring it, then using the auto cutout to remove the background, then adjusting the scale and position, and also the color so it would fit the scene more. And after that, adding a slide animation to the image. After that, we are going to add some text. And after we have finished typing it, we are going to change the alignment, size, position, duration and font of it, as well as adding a shadow and changing the color to blue. And now we are going to be adding the pop animation and adjusting the duration of it. Then we are going to add a camera shake to the main image and adjusting the speed and range of it. And finally, we are going to be adding a smog effect to the scene and adjusting the duration of it. Okay, so that's how you can make a MagnatesMedia style video. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and see you next time.